Morning, YouTube friends and family. Welcome to our annual trip on the Christmas bird count. Glad you could join us. We are doing the Augusta, Maine Christmas bird count, and we have, there's a radius around Augusta, the city, and then there are pie pieces that are drawn out from that, and we have one of those pieces of pie.
Hi, you ready?
Yeah.
We're late.
We're late?
Zephyrs are working better for you now with the things pulled up, so your eyelashes aren't touching the ones.
We're off to a good start. We have, I don't know, probably 8 species so far. My highlight is the hairy woodpecker. I like hairy woodpeckers.
15 species.
15 species, great. We've only been looked at strangely, I think, once. And we've only had one person come out of their house and look at us and say, why are they looking at our house through binoculars?
Did we?
Yep. Approaching midday, noon. We started at roughly sunrise, so we've been at it now for, I don't know, about 4.5 hours. And we're gonna run home, get a quick lunch, and drop off the twins. Get back to it. Frustrating thing about the Christmas bird count is we don't get to count birds in the area that we live directly, like around our house. No big deal.
Well, we can do the great backyard bird count here.
Say again?
So we can do the great backyard bird count here.
Oh, the backyard bird count? Is that in the wintertime?
I think it's during February break maybe or something.
February break?
Sometime in February, I guess. You want to head up the Pinkham Road,
yep,
and then go that way, go into
yeah,
Randolph from that way, and then come down the river.
Down the river.
Come down the river after we do the neighborhood.
Gotcha. Alright, here we go. Back on. This is round 2, folks. Alright, I'll try to show you some birds this time. Hopefully we get to see some birds this time. It's a perfectly acceptable technique to use a recording of bird calls to try to draw in birds. Andre just drew in 5 chickadees.
It's not something you want to do all the time, and definitely not during when they're breeding, because it can stress them out.
Oh, really? Okay, but so it's something that
on the Christmas bird count, we want to know how many birds there are out there, so we do that. It's a screech owl and chickadees.
Oh, so they get upset about the screech owl when they come to see what's going on.
You can also use the bird's call itself too. That also works.
Okay.
But you wouldn't want to overdo it.
I feel like it should be titmice.
Okay, it could be titmice.
Just titmouses doesn't sound right. we've seen a fair amount of starlings. European starlings, American starlings. We've seen a bunch of them. Starting to zone out here. We're 3:45. A little bit of time left, don't we? A little bit of light. We've decided to take our last few minutes of this 2017 Christmas bird count and take a little walk in the woods of Randolph. I don't know if you can really call it the woods, but it's an old rail trail, a narrow gauge trail, narrow gauge track that the trail has been built on. Anyway, we've had some pretty good luck here in past years with some bird species, so we'll round out the day here. Hope you've had fun. Thanks for coming with us. Well, it's sad to find one that's chirping away.
It is. Poor little buggy.
So that is a golden crown on that, isn't it?
I have turned over and what's that?
Which part of town were
We
you?
had a little break in the middle today.
Oh, yeah.
I'm Stevens Park. I just came along with me.